So, has anybody not seen this before, or doesn't know what it is? Okay, cool, awesome. Oh, you don't?
No,
All right.
I
Your
haven't
homework
seen it.
tonight is to go and beg, borrow, or steal this and read it. This came out a few years ago, and to me, this was really what kind of lit the fire, at least in the medium to large companies, about DevOps. There had been talks about it on blogs, there had been YouTube videos, all that kind of stuff. But this was the first real concrete source of information that really, I think, resonated with a lot of people out there. This was all the way from, the people doing the grunt work, the DevOps, the sysadmins, all the way up to C-levels, because it is actually a fiction book. So it's kind of put in the scenario of this guy who starts out getting like this horrible pay. He ends up kind of running this whole transition into what ends up being a DevOps model. Later on, a few of these guys actually wrote a book called the DevOps Handbook. So if you don't have that, that's your second homework assignment, is to go get that. So even though it has the word handbook in it, I actually kind of use this as my handbook. This is my field manual, because it does take those real world scenarios and it kind of gives you examples on how they solved them. Whereas the DevOps handbook is more kind of like a step-by-step, think about this, that kind of thing. So yeah, for those of you who have read this, can you tell me